So let's take a look at our next problem, problem number 4. And we see that it's going to be easier than the others because it's just multiplication. Division is harder than multiplication. Alright, so we can multiply in any order. So we can multiply the numbers together, 2 times 2. And then when we multiply the radicals together, we can do it underneath a single radical. Well, I know that 2 times 2 is 4. And I know that 15 times 3 is 45. Now, I'm not ready to say that that's my final answer because I have to look at 45, the radical 45, and see if I can simplify it. Let's break it down. 9 times 5, and we can see that the 9 breaks down to 3 times 3, that the square root of 9 is 3. So it can be simplified. So I have the 4, and its multiplication, and since I have a pair, and this pair is a square root, even though that 2 is not written there, it's implied. When I have a pair of them, I can write that base outside of the radical. Now what stays underneath the radical is that 5. So we can simplify 4 times 3 as 12. 12 times the square root of 5. I claim that if you multiply these together, that you'll get 12 times radical 5. Let's check that on a calculator. I don't have any variables, so I can check it on a calculator. On the left-hand side, I have 2 times radical 15. Times 2 times radical 3. I get a decimal number of 26.83. Let's check the 12 times radical 5. 12 times radical 5. Calculator understands that's implied multiplication. Same decimal number. Pretty confident this is the correct answer.